Hey girls, just a quick rundown of what's going on this week. When you log into Schoology, you'll see our week 3 folder up here on top. It'll be orange. It'll say published. It'll publish at 8 a.m. Come here and get in the folder. And here's a breakdown of everything that's going on for you this week. Here's your to-do list with a happy little Bitmoji from me. Continue your writer's notebook 4 out of 5 days this week. Continue your reading log for 4 out of 5 days this week. I assigned a new Newsella article on Dorothea Lange. She's a famous Depression era photographer for this week. Do the 4-question quiz and the extended response. And then we're going to be looking at workbook chapters 8 and 9 this week. Really goes back through reviewing kind of hardcore and intensely your rhetoric and rhetorical modes. And then the last thing I have for you this week is a practice essay. I took the essay and I copied and pasted it off of AP Classroom and I put it in a Google Doc because I feel like that's a little easier for me to give you some more consistent feedback. So it's in the assignment folder here on Schoology. The reading and space for your response is all within the document. If you have any confusion getting into it, let me know. But you guys have to time yourself on this. You have 50 minutes from the time you start reading the assignment, okay? Not 50 minutes to write after reading, but 50 minutes total to do it all. I know that seems like a short amount of time, but I think the more we practice with that time frame, the easier it'll be. Okay, so here's a link to the Newsella article. Here are your instructions for what I want you to do in your AP Lang workbooks. Just read through and annotate, and then answer these questions. All right, and then for chapter 9, read through and annotate as you go, complete the drills that I have outlined here, and then answer these questions. All right, let's see here. After that, I'm going to keep posting for you the rolling list of writing seeds. I keep adding to this, just a couple every week. I'm going to start putting some stuff in that's not so coronavirus related, to try and give us a mental break from all of that that's going on, because I know it's exhausting. And then here's the practice essay. All right. So make sure whenever you sit down to do this, you have a solid an hour about to get this done. So here's your directions. Here's what your response should do. Here's the reading itself. It's not a high stakes reading. It's a pretty interesting reading. The book itself that it comes from is very good. And then you begin your response down here. When you're all finished, you'll submit on Schoology to our folder, and then I'll be able to come in and get to your work here. So hopefully that all makes sense. Then I added a happy little turtle story here for you. You don't have to do anything with it. If you want to take a look at it, it's from the Dodo on Twitter. Just something else to look at that maybe isn't necessarily stressful or sad. It's just a happy little story about a big loggerhead turtle. All right, so hopefully this all makes sense. This will be published and ready to go for you on Monday morning. If there is anything like links that are broken, things that aren't working, something that you're confused about, as always, my wonderful girls, let me know. Everything you've been turning in and submitting looks fantastic. I'm trying to add in as much commentary and feedback as I can. You girls are always welcome to reach out to me and let me know what you need. If you just want to chit chat, I'm fine with that too. Just let me know, okay? Everybody take care and take it easy, and I will talk to you soon.